Got some overripe bananas sitting on your counter? Stop right there before you toss them. Today, we are turning those spots into gold with a banana bread that is incredibly moist, tender, and ready in about an hour. Here's what you will need: 3 ripe bananas, 2 cups of flour, half a cup of melted butter, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You will also need 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Start by peeling your bananas into a large mixing bowl. The riper they are, the sweeter and better your bread will taste. Take a fork or a potato masher and work those bananas until they are smooth, though a few small lumps are perfectly fine. Now, pour in your melted butter and stir it right into the mashed fruit. Add your sugar, the 2 eggs, and that splash of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until the color is uniform. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually fold the dry mixture into your wet ingredients. This part is crucial for a light texture. A quick tip: stop stirring as soon as the flour streaks disappear. Overmixing is the enemy of a soft loaf. Grab a standard loaf pan, grease it well with butter or cooking spray, and pour that beautiful batter right in. Smooth out the top with a spatula so it bakes evenly across the pan. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Your kitchen is about to smell absolutely incredible. To check if it is done, poke the center with a toothpick. If it comes out clean or with just a few crumbs, it is perfect. Patience is key here. Let the bread rest in the pan for about 10 minutes before you try to move it. Once it has cooled slightly, slide it out and slice it up. Look at that steam and that perfect, moist crumb. It is delicious on its own, but a smear of salted butter or a drizzle of honey takes it to another level. If you want some extra texture, feel free to fold in a handful of chopped walnuts or semi-sweet chocolate chips next time. Thanks for baking with us today. If you love this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy kitchen wins.